Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining me in the garage, and whatever time it might be for you, today it is bacon time. The first step to this project is to find a really good pork belly. I was very excited when my local grocery store had a good selection of them, so I found that it had a good mixture of both meat and fat. If you want more fat, go on the fatter side, but if you like more meat, again, go on the meaty side. I was happy with this one. There was a little bit of fat that I wanted to trim off since my family likes a little bit of leaner side, but all I had to do was trim a little bit and I was happy. Next comes a mixture of both half and half salt and half sugar. And I just spread it all over every edge and every pocket I can find of this pork belly. This is going to be the curing agent, and it's going to actually cure the meat. So I want to make sure it's all over, inside and out, every pocket that I could find. Once this pork belly is fully covered, all you have to do is throw it in a bag. You can either use a Ziploc bag or you can use one of the Space Saver vacuum seal bags and put it in your fridge for 5 to 7 days. Now that these pork bellies are ready to go on the grill, it's going to be the easy part. They've already cured. I've got them rinsed off, dried. All I have to do is throw them on the grill. It's going to be about 200 degrees. I'm going to set my grill out for a nice slow smoke on them. I don't want to overcook them. All I want to do is smoke them to about an internal temperature of 160 degrees. That's what I'm shooting for. Other than that, it's so simple to make homemade bacon. Approximately 2 hours into the smoke, and these pork bellies are looking good. They're getting up to about 90 degrees Celsius, and I'm getting really good color on them. But I know I need to get to 160, so I'm going to flip them over, give them another 2 hours, and at that point, I should be up to 160 degrees. And as expected, into about 4 hours of smoke, these pork bellies can now officially be called bacon. These things reach 160 degrees, they got a really good color on them, and they look stupendous, absolutely amazing, I can't say. So I'm going to go ahead and get these into the refrigerator. I'm going to cool them down, and that would allow me to cut them up and portion them a lot easier than if they're warm. And finally, we are complete. 7 hours, no, it was about 4 hours of smoke. It was 7 days of curing, and man, these slabs of bacon, I can call it bacon now, they're not pork bellies, are absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to cut into them, portion them out, and have them for breakfast, because man, it is delicious. I'm going to take a small little cut right here just to try it out. Since it is both cured, so we had it with the sugar, the salt, that's going to get rid of the bacteria. We brought it up to 160 degrees. So again, any bacteria is gone. And wow, 100% that fat tastes like bacon. 100%. You cannot get any better than that. And for the meat, a little bit of a hammy taste to it, good smoke to it, but wow, that is amazing. That is no bacon that you're going to get in the store. This bacon you're going to get in the store is going to be flash cured real quick. It's going to be quickly cooked up to temperature, sliced up, and put into the package. You're not going to get this kind of bacon in the store. So I cannot recommend enough. If you want good bacon, try it out. With that, thank you very much for watching. As always, like, subscribe, share, comments. I love working in my garage and I love trying new things, and this is going to be a new part of my garage. So thank you very much for watching, and stay safe, everybody.